Okay, we will discuss inbound VAS and outbound VAS today. In the outbound VAS, we will discuss key to order scenario today. Okay, so let me start then. So inbound VAS, just one more step will be added here in this inbound POC. Okay, we'll unload, then we'll deconsolidate, then we'll perform value added service, and then we'll be performing whatever. Okay. So for this, what we need to have additionally, we need to have this VAS work center. I think I had already created VAS work center with the storage type name IBVS. For this, I had also created one storage bin. Okay. Only the thing is, I need to have some one additional storage process step. Okay, same configuration I need to. So let me get inside. And again, we will going to see here the use of packaging specification. We should have packaging specification master data. So come to cross process settings, value added service, sorry, cross process settings, warehouse task, come to process oriented storage control. I'll create one AIVS inbound VAS execution. So here, which internal process step should I select for VAS? That is
VS.
VS, value added service. What is value added service? Yeah. What kind of value addition we will do here? Maybe some kind of rebranding, okay, or maybe some kind of labeling. Okay, whatever activity which may increase the value of the product, that is known as value added service. There can be many varieties of value added service. Okay. So here I'm assigning, save it. Okay. Now I'll be creating a storage process for A073. AI03 I'll be creating, unloading, then deconsolidation, then VAS, and then put away. So save it and then select it. And inside this, maintain the storage process code. AI UL, unloading, AIDC, deconsolidation, then AIVS, VAS execution, then AIPT, auto warehouse task. And here I am activating product warehouse which warehouse task. Okay, just let me check if I created the storage bin or not. A073 storage type is IBVS I configured if you remember. Here you see I have IBVS there. So save it. Now come back, come to process oriented storage control. Click on new entries. For A073, if the external step is AIVS, warehouse process type would be 30630. What should be the destination storage type and bin for VAS? That should be IBVS. And it's web. That's it. Save. Okay. Now what we'll do, the storage process, what I created as AI03, I'll be linking with, I'll be linking inside A010. AI 0. Now what we need to do? VAS is a work center. Okay. So here we will be creating work center layout and work center. This one, VAS one. This is a standard layout where the transaction is VAS execution. So you need to make a copy of it, extend it for your warehouse A073 IBVS inbound VAS work center layout. Save, come back, define work center. Mm, you can select this one VSWC for A073 IBVS. I'm naming it inbound VAS work center. External step is AIVS. Storage type is IBVS. Ensure repack warehouse process type is 3040 assigned. And assign the work center layout as well as IB. Yes, saved. Now what we need to do? Same thing we have to repeat. So this inbound VAS work center, I need to link the storage bin what I had created for IBVS storage type. From work center, master data attribute for work center, inbound VAS. Okay, this is done. Now, since we are incorporating VAS as an additional process step, VAS relevant configuration we have to do here. Okay. So what is the VAS relevant configuration? You will find under cross process settings. You will see here value added service. So whenever whenever we are involving VAS operation in either inbound, in the outbound, yeah, or in the internal warehousing operations, to perform VAS operation, we should have a VAS order. Okay, what we should have? We should have a one more EWM transactional document, that is VAS order. Using the VAS order, we will be able to perform value-added service. Okay, so here you see we have a configuration to define number range for VAS order. But if you remember, this number ranges I had already defined in the very beginning. Do you remember this one? Here, in the very beginning sessions, I did this configuration.
Yes, sir.
So if you did here, then no need to re-perform here, because we can see here that for A073 warehouse, there is a interval defined. Okay. Activate order document management. There is a module document management system. Okay, which is used to store the company's documents in the form of archival records. So if we are integrating with SAP DMS module, that is document management system, then this activation would be required. Now we have to set the relevance for VAS. Okay, which warehouse request document is relevant for VAS operation. Okay, so what you need to do, click on new entries for A073. What is the document category for inbound warehouse request? That is PDI. Yeah. What is the document type?
INB.
Very good. INB. What is the item type? IDLB. Product group is not required. Yesterday, do you remember? I mentioned few condition types in packaging specification. Somewhere I wrote these things. Do you remember these condition types? These I had listed down yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For inbound VAS, we have a condition type 0 VSI. With the same name, you will find the pack spec determination procedure as well, 0 VSI. So here you see packaging specification position, 0 VSI that you need to use. What is 0 VSI? It is used to handle VAS for goods receipt, that is for inbound process. Now, how do you want to control the VAS order creation in this warehouse? Do not create automatically means warehouse worker needs to create VAS order manually. Second one is when creating warehouse request. That is whenever we save inbound delivery on S4 site and the moment inbound delivery gets created in EWM system, immediately VAS order should be created. Created first goods receipt posting. Created first goods receipt posting means I hope you remember this thing I shown you already. I shown, in the very beginning, the when we started with the inbound warehousing process, I told you what happens if we click here in this goods receipt.
Mm. Yes, sir.
This is the first goods receipt. Okay. This is the first goods receipt. So create at the time of first goods receipt posting. That is when you perform when your in EWM inbound delivery gets created, then VAS order will not going to create if you select this indicator too. When it will going to create after your inbound delivery gets replicated to EWM, when the warehouse worker is clicking on this push button that is goods receipt, then it will going to create the VAS order. So depending on the business requirement, you have to select when the VAS order to be created. I'm going with indicator one. Pack spec PS means packaging specification existence check. So should system conduct that if there is any packaging specification for inbound VAS is existing or not? Yeah. Should system conduct existence check? Do not conduct existence check means it will not going to bother about whether pack spec is there or not. Perform existence check. It will going to perform existence check, and in case if there is no packaging specification, it will throw a warning message. If you set indicator 2, it will perform pack spec existence check. If there is no pack spec existence check, the existing, then it will throw an error message. That means without that, you cannot move further if there is an error message. Okay. So accordingly, you have to set partner role. For inbound VAS, here the partner role should be supplier. That is ship from party. I told you, no, ship from party is nothing but your supplier.
Yes.
So you have to select this. Date and time type stamp. That means what is the date and time stamp should be punched on this VAS order which system is going to create. So I'll select here delivery date and time. Okay. Press enter and save. So I activated the VAS relevance for inbound scenario. Now I'll go back. Now we need to create one packaging specification. Okay. So we will go to pack spec master data. Packaging specification. Maintain packaging specification. Click on add line. PS. Okay. PS 73 is what I configured yesterday. Yeah, here I have PS73. Go to detail. Pack spec for inbound VAS for which material? 1000555. This is my material. Okay, here VAS means I'll be branding. I'll be wrapping with some branded label. That would be kind of, I will be treating as an auxiliary packing material. So I do not need level 2. Okay. In the level 1, I do not need this box packing also. Okay. What happened? Why this is not getting deleted? Yeah, from here, delete anywhere. Yeah, select. So I want to have only auxiliary packing. That means there is a plastic wrap with some branded label, okay, of my company that I want to wrap it. Okay, that's what I want to do on this product. Okay, the product whatever I'll be mentioning here. Add product. Yeah, this product quantity. Now, as I told you, if your outer level is auxiliary packing, HU should not get created. Okay. Understand this. Just remember this. Whenever your HU or whenever your packaging specification contain auxiliary packing as a outer level, outer layer material, basically system should not create HU because that is only for maybe for rebranding or for maybe for safeguarding the product. Okay. Now come here. We give the target quantity 1 unit. Here in this case, I'll not activate HU creation. Okay. Element group for inbound plants. Packaging material, plastic wrap, maybe some kind of branded wrap. Okay. A0 W hot air application. Now, this packaging specification should be determined during which step? This packaging specification should be determined during which step? This is relevant only for VAS operation. Okay. This packaging specification for rebranding, this is only relevant for inbound VAS operation. How should I restrict that? Come here to warehouse tab. Here you see there is an external step field.
Yes.
So here I'll restrict to AIVS. Okay. Now come to header. Here maintain the condition record. 0 VSI. Now product is 1000555. Ship from, who is my supplier? Let me check. If shift from is this, then this pack spec should be determined. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to activate this. This is activated. All right. So this is my packaging specification number. PS for inbound glass. This for product 10005. One more I need, right? Because two products I need for because I am bringing deconsolidation also. 556. Okay. So what should I do? I need to create one more packaging specification. How can I create? Do you want me to continue? Do you want me to perform this step again for this another item? That would be time taking process, right? What I can do? Only product I need to change here. Rest every detail would be same, right?
Yes, sir.
So what I can do? You see here, there is an option of copy. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, you can copy from here, or for example, by chance you came back to the screen. Okay, so you can here find your packaging specification. Okay, from here, or maybe here in the filter, and just select this, make a copy of it for product 1000556. See, we create. Now get into the detail of this. See, everything will be copied. Just you have to change the description. You can check each and every detail. All you need to do is just activate 53025. Okay, this is also active. Now, one thing I want to do a small change. This that LOSE what we performed after deconsolidation, right? In the earlier sessions, we we enabled LOSE after deconsolidation, right?
Yes, sir.
That I want to enable after VAS.
Okay.
How do I enable? Simple, a small change you need to do. If the warehouse task, go to LOSE A073. Here, do you see what is the source storage type I mentioned here? DECO, right?
Yes.
Instead, I will mention here as IBVS. So, and this DECO entry, what I have, this I will delete. Now system will understand, okay? After performing VAS, okay, after completing VAS in the VAS storage type, then layout oriented storage control needs to be activated. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let us test it. Back, let's save it. So an inbound delivery created with a number ending with 15240. Okay. Where you can see what it's. Now, what in the configuration, what did I said? When the VAS order should be created? When this inbound warehouse request is getting created, along with that VAS order should be created. Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
can we check if the VAS order is created or not? So how can we check? So select these both the line items, click on display additional data, display order for value added service. See, my VAS order is created. See, this packaging specification is also getting called 53021 for product 1000555. And the second VAS order also got created with number 10001. Okay, you see here, packaging specification is getting determined 53025 for this another call. Yeah,
Yeah.
now. So that means things are working fine. Now what we will do, we will go for creating warehouse task. Click on create warehouse task. So from inbound door, it is moving to staging area, GR staging area. Click on create and save. 3 warehouse tasks got created. one for unloading and two for pickup. That is waiting warehouse task. Should warehouse task. So confirmation I will do, I want to do from monitor. Okay. So let's do monitor. Inbound delivery number. That was 5240. Okay. For unloading. This column I'll shift it here. Status column also I'll shift it here. HU column. Okay, so now I will be confirming this unloading warehouse task. Confirm warehouse task. All right. So this is confirmed. So it created deconsolidation warehouse task automatically. This we had already discussed now. So we can do this. Deconsolidation is done. Okay. So what I need to do now, I need to go to deconsolidation work center. And here in the execution, deconsolidation, select deconsolidation, okay, execute. What is the HU number? 13109. Yeah, this one. So items of this HU, I want to deconsolidate. So you do see this 13106 is an empty HU. I can reuse it. I told you. Or if you want, you can create two HUs as unique. Okay, that also you can. Both variations I show. So I'll create two HUs. See 23028 and 29 got created. Now I will be deconsolidating. Source HU is 13109. Yeah, 13109. Select the warehouse task item. So here destination HU, I'll overwrite it as 23028. Execute. Again, 13109. Another item from waiting warehouse task. So this would be 23029. So I'll mark this step as HU completed. Again, I'll mark this step as HU completed. Now I will be refreshing this. Now, which warehouse task got created? This warehouse task for which step got created?
Value added service.
Yes, for inbound VAS. So select both and come to more methods and click on confirm warehouse task in background. Okay, so this is also confirmed. But you see that LOSC didn't got triggered. That means we confirm that we brought these HUs in the VAS work center, but did we perform VAS operation? No. We have to perform the VAS operation. How? Come back. See here, create confirmation for VAS. So here select work center as IBVS. These were our VAS orders, right?
Yeah.
Can check from here also. One 0000 10001. Okay. So you need to change the status of this VAS order from status in process to complete. First of all, mark here, mention the completed quantity. Total quantity is one, completed quantity is one. From in to in process, and then from in process to completed without deviations. Similarly, for this one, put here one, that is the whatever is the quantity, set to in process, then from in process to. Now select this HU, go to detail, and here again you need to mark HU step completed. That means warehouse worker will be confirming that this branding with this plastic wrap has been done. Again, click here. This one. Okay. Now you come here again, refresh this. Now you see IBVS to GFST when LOSC triggered. Confirm. One more triggered from GFST to FFST. Now these two became open from FFST to put available. Okay. Done. So this is your unloading, deconsolidation, VAS, then layout oriented storage control, and then put away. And this is a sequence of steps what you can find it out. Okay. From here, from source to destination pane, what is the movement happening? Everything. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, same thing that is inbound, this VAS, we will going to apply in the outbound scenario. Okay. VAS is applicable in the outbound scenario. So when we apply VAS in the outbound scenario, in which context we apply, that we apply in the process called as kitting.
Yeah.
Kitting process, or you can call it as kitting. What do you mean by kitting? Kitting means process of, it is an inventory management process. It is an inventory management process using which we can form kits. What do you mean by kits? Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain what is kit?
It is like a consolidating of a bomb called as kit. Uh, like multiple raw materials consolidating, and we can form it as a kit.
Only raw materials you'll find in a kit.
Finished goods.
Actually,
A kit is a
we can match both the finished goods and raw materials also.
in kit we assemble the products and sell as one single unit. Yeah. In kit, we assemble the product, and those assembly of the product we sell as one single unit. Yes. For example, cricket kit. What would be there in cricket kit? Bat, ball, stumps,
Gloves.
stumps, gloves, helmet. Yeah. Let's take these examples. So these are not raw materials, right? This bat, ball, stumps, gloves, helmet. These are not raw materials, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
These are my sellable items, but these sellable items, I'm grouping them into one single unit, and that one single unit I'm calling as a kit, and this cricket kit I'm going to sell. Yeah.
Okay. So kitting is only an inbound, outbound process, right? During selling.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Kitting is only applicable for sales, not
Okay.
for procurement.
Okay.
One more example, assembled
Change sprocket also.
assembled desktop. Yes.
Yeah.
Have you heard about it? Assembled desktop.
Yes, sir.
There will be monitor, there will be CPU. Oh, sorry. There will be CPU, there will be keyboard, there will be mouse. This combination will be going to be sold as one kit, as a name, assembled desktop. Yeah.
Yeah.
Similarly, medical devices, in medical devices industry also this kitting process is used because we are using this kitting process. Okay, we are manufacturing some medical devices which we basically sell as a kit. So kitting process we are using very quite widely here. Okay, and this is an industry specific solution. Okay, not in every industry you will going to find the usage of this solution. For example, if you take an example of chemical industry, in chemical industry, kitting process is not applicable. Yeah. Why? Because there bulk manufacturing happens and the finished products are sold in bulk. You may find this kitting process in pharmaceutical industry or any healthcare industry, not pharmaceutical, in the healthcare industry, which is whose business is into manufacturing the medical devices. You may find it in the automobile industry, where the automobile spare part industry, as Shyam mentioned, that chain sprocket or kind of thing. There also we can apply this. Okay. So those are the examples. So when I say kitting, so types of kitting.
Sir, you have mentioned that we can't able to use this kitting in while procurement, right?
Yes.
So in my example, I have told chain sprocket. So we can't sell the chain sprocket as it is, like without making it as a kit. So in that case, what can be done?
Sorry, you cannot sell.
Chain sprocket without making it as a kit, because there are multiple parts including in the chain sprocket, right, sir? Like by
See,
chain
that's pure.
available wheel around.
I didn't told that we cannot sell it as a kit. Again, that purely depends how the business want to sell that chain sprocket assembly.
No, no, no. I am asking. You have told that while procurement we can't able to do, while doing outbound delivery only we can do this kitting process.
Uh, uh,
So
yes.
since we can't sell that, maybe we can store it as a while doing procurement also, right?
How can you do while doing procurement?
Maybe single vendor sharing all the parts that belongs to the chain sprocket, and once we receive inbound delivery, then we can.
No.
Okay. So in between anywhere we can't do this kitting process, correct, sir? Only in while doing outbound delivery only we can able to do
No,
this.
that's what I am coming to that point. No, okay.
Okay.
So the
Okay.
way is how we can do the kitting.
Okay.
Whenever there is a customer order coming, okay,
Okay.
based on the customer order, we will going to prepare the kit and we will going to sell it readily. Okay, that is known as kit to order. Okay. First one is kit to order. That is based on the customer order. We will going to prepare the kit. Clear?
Yeah.
Second one is kit to stock. The one which you are asking me. That is without any customer order also we can prepare the kit, and that kit we will going to store in our inventory. Whenever the customer order will come, that kit we can pick up and we can sell it to our customer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So today we will discuss about kit to order. Okay. It is same, the same that outbound scenario what we had discussed. Sales order, outbound delivery. Okay, and then outbound delivery order will be created. Then whatever follow-on actions. This involves POSC. Okay, so that is the same flow will be adopted here. All right. So but in order to perform kitting, we have to ensure few sales side also we have to ensure few configuration settings are enabled, as well as on the EWM side also. So what are the configuration settings we have to ensure? First of all, on the SAP SD module side. So certain item categories, item category group, item categories has to be enabled, which are relevant for kitting. What are the item categories? So I'll go to sales and distribution. This will be ensured by sales consultant. Okay. So what is the first thing? So under sales and distribution, what was the part? Yeah, sales. Under sales, you will find sales document, then sales document item. Here you will see define item category groups. So what is item category group? KIT. Got it?
Yeah.
This we have to ensure. Item category group is kit. SD side configuration. I had actually prepared one configuration document. Okay, what exactly the steps has to be ensured that I already have in my Google Drive. I'll share with all of you. From there, you can find it. These steps I had documented. Item category group is KIT. Okay, just remember this. Is KIT. Okay. Item categories, the sales item categories, that would be KITH and KOMP. So KITH is used to represent kit header item, kit header, and KOMP is used to represent kit components. So how do you identify kit header and kit component in this example? For example, cricket kit. What will be kit header?
Cricket
Cricket
kit.
kit. Because I'm selling cricket kit as a saleable unit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And these are my components of cricket kit. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, in the assembled desktop, what is the kit header?
Assemble desktop.
Okay. And the kit items would be okay. So we represent these kit header and kit components via this item categories. Okay, so where so you can find item category group is this. Now item category you will find here. KITH and KOM, kit component. Inside this is there are so many things, but this is not relevant for us to discuss because this is a SD talk, sales and distribution module talk. This is for your information. Now, whenever I will be creating an outbound delivery in SD module, so against my delivery type, these item categories, what I just now discussed, so those should be determined. So how the determination will going to happen? So for that, come to logistics execution. Again, this everything, okay, whatever I'm showing you right now, this is purely an SD topic. Okay, so come to logistics execution, shipping, deliveries. Yeah, define item category determination deliveries. What is the delivery type, outbound delivery type we seen in SAP SD module? Do you remember? What was the delivery type? That was LF. Item category group just now shown you that is kit. So if the item category group is KI, whenever I'm creating any outbound delivery with delivery document type LF, item category group is KIT, then we want to determine item categories as KITH and this one is KOMP. Okay. KOMP. Okay. This entry should be good. Where do I assign this item category group? In the material master. I'll show you. Okay. Now, here in the same under logistics execution, we need to set one movement type, inventory management movement type for goods received for kit header. That is, you will find under extended warehouse management integration. This you need to do. Means an EWM consultant. Outbound process, kit to order, set goods received movement type for kit to order, kit headers. So for which item category? For item category KITH, this one, 520. This is a movement type with which GR will going to happen for the kits. Okay. Now once this is done, do you remember we created BOM in case of production scenario?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What was the BOM? This one. Yes. This was my finished product and these were the components. Okay. So using this only, I will going to create one more variety of BOM. Okay. So again, come to CS01. I assume this is a kit header item. Okay. For your convenience, maybe I will rename this. I'll make it as kit header. Okay. Or not. This 555, I'll put it as, name it as kit component. Kit component 1. One more I'll create. Kit component number 2. Okay. Now here I'll be creating a BOM using kit header. BOM usage would be, it should be sales and distribution. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
See, BOM, whenever you will have a BOM can be created for various purpose. Earlier, we created a BOM for production. That is, we call as production BOM. Now, this BOM I am creating for sale purpose. So that is known as sales BOM. Okay. I'll creating with usage 5. Here, item category. I'll use a stock item. This is first one. Quantity 1. One quantities I'll be using to create one kit. To create one kit. Okay. Save it. This is also done. Now, certain settings I need to ensure on the EWM side now. And yeah, before I do that, I will tell you what you need to change in the material master. Come to MM02. First of all, here you select basic data, sales data, VSI. Plant is AUG1. You see here item category group.
Yes.
By default, it is coming as standard item.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
What is the item category group I told you? For kitting, that is KIT. Yes.
Yeah.
Kit to order that you need to assign here. Then the sales view here also. General item category group is KIT. This also you need to change it to kit. Okay. For all this header, for component, you have to do the same thing. Kit. By doing this only, the relevant item categories will be determined in the sales order. Five, five, six. Okay. Now let's perform settings in EWM side related to this kit to order. Okay. Now, can you tell me what was the item type with which my outbound delivery order item got created? Item type for
ODV,
outbound. Sorry.
ODLV.
Yes, very good. ODLV. Now, in case of kit to order scenario, for kit header, what is item type? Item type would be OKM. Okay, remember this. And for kit component, it would be recognized as OKC. Oh, sorry, OKC. Okay, let me show you. These are standards which are already there. Okay. So in the goods issue, outbound delivery, item type, is OKC, see, OKC, PDO, DLV, OKM, PDO, DLV. You can see the description of this. What is a description of OKC? Assembly component item. And this is assembly header item. Got it?
Yeah.
And in the mapping side, there would be a mapping between this OKM will be mapped with KITH and this will be mapped with KOMP. We can see in the interface. RP integration, delivery processing, map item types, LF, oh, not this, LF, item type is KITH. See, KITH is linked as to OKM. OKM is kit header. KOMP is linked to OKC. Okay. Now we need to set up the process-oriented storage control. Okay. So what is the steps I would like to consider in POSC? Outbound POSC in um, in kit to order. First one I want to pick components. Then pick and bring to kitting workstation. Pick components and bring to kitting work center. Yes. Then perform kitting. Then move to staging area. Okay. Move to staging area. So what should I do? For picking, I had already created a work step, right? Sorry, a storage process step. Yes. In the outbound POC.
Yes, sir.
What I configured? AOPL. Yes. But before that, I will be creating one storage type for kitting workstation that you can create by copying this IBVS. Same thing, IBVS. So I'll name it as KTU. Storage type for KTU. Okay. Let's enter and save. For KTO, I'll be creating one pin. KTO -. See. So I did this. Now I can define these POSC. External step I'll be creating as AKT to in A073. Again, which internal process step should I select? There is no step with name kitting, right? Yeah. Kitting is also a value-added service. So whenever you going to perform kitting process, so for kitting process step also you have to select internal process step as VAAS. Got it?
Yes.
Save this. Now come back. Let's define one storage process. I'll be creating for A073. Storage process I'll define as KTO. Pick kit stage. Direction would be stop. Save, then select, come here, AOPI, pick AKTO, hitting, AOST, staging. Automatic warehouse stores. Activities. Now come back, click on process oriented storage control, new entries. Same thing for A073. If the step is AKTO, warehouse process type is, what should I select? 3070 for outbound. Then the destination storage type would be KTO and it's bin. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the storage process, what I had defined, how we determine storage process in outbound POC. What did I told you? This outbound in outbound POC, we determine storage process by linking that to warehouse order creation. Here I will be linking AKTU. Okay. And you can save it. Then let me check if there is anything left, especially in the warehouse process type determination. Just give me a minute because here we have something different item type, right? So for A073, OUTB item type is blank. That means whatever is our item type, this should be determined. So that is fine. Now what we need to do? As usual, we have to enable the work center layout and then we have to define work center for performing kitting operation. See, kit to order. There is a, okay. I'll make a copy of it for A073. I'll name it as KTO. Layout for to same. Come back, define work center. Again, you see there is a work center with name KITO, that is kit to order. We can make a copy of it for A073 KTO work center for kit to order. What is the execution step? AKTO. Storage type is KTU. No section I had defined. Yeah. Repack warehouse process type, please assign as 3040. Maybe just in case if if you would like to shift the components from the initially picked HU and we need to repack into another HU, then we would like to have the provision for that, for repacking. Now we maintain the work center master data attribute. Come to logistics. These are repetitive things, okay? Just if you know one concept, how to do that once or twice, you can do this. Only you have to know what multi-step movement your business wants to perform. That's it. Same pattern of configuration would be same. Only couple of things would be added depending on what POSC scenario we are going to handle. For example, for VAS, certain VAS order activation we have to ensure. That's it. Okay. One thing, sorry, I forgot. One checkbox you need to ensure that is activated in not here in the work center layout, what we just now configured. Because this I found in previous batches that somebody changed the configuration. So here, one configuration setting you have to ensure this one. Can you see? There is a checkbox, change kit.
Yes.
This checkbox should be enabled. If this is not enabled, then in the kitting work center, you will not be able to create kit. Okay. So ensure this checkbox is enabled. If this is not enabled, then that icon, what I am going to show you, that will also not, you will not be able to see. Now, since this is involving VAS, so we will be enable VAS relevance for kit to order as well. Yeah. Define relevance for VAS for outbound scenario, right? For A073, for document category PDO, document type is OUTB. Yeah. What is the item type? Item type, we should select for kit header. That is OKM. Now, pack spec determination procedure, what is that? This one. 0 VSO. This is for kit to order, goods issues process. Okay. Create when creating warehouse request item. Here I'll put it as delivery date and time as the VAS order creation date. And now, as usual, we have to define one packaging specification for kit header. Yes. Yes, 73. Kit I will be forming in a box. Okay. Okay, whatever components are there, I'll be consolidating those components in one box. So no layer 2 packing. Or maybe if you want to create any other packaging material, let's say any bag or something, maybe for cricket kit, that also you can do. I don't want this auxiliary packing here. I want to have only box. So here in the content, let's add this. Here, which product? The kit header 1000554. One kit. Pack spec for kit to order. It should form handling unit. It should create handling unit. Okay. Packaging material, carton box. And I'll tell to apply stationary tape. U0, W1, work step. Now I'll maintain condition record. So 0 VSO. Against this, you need to mention 1000554. Ship to. What is the ship to? Anyone you can use from my data. I think that is 30034. 30030. Okay. For these combination, this VAS order would be created. And this packaging specification should work only for kitting scenario, right? Or for kitting step. So here, come to warehouse and mention AKT. It will work for that step only. Got it? Clear here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why so responses with very low energy?
I mean, so many steps, so again need to.
Yeah, that's what I told you guys that this POSC is a complicated one. So many things would be there.
Okay.
Okay. It is a complicated one in the entire EWM because this is an advanced EWM part. All
Yeah.
right. Yes. So you have to make up your mind. There is no other way other than these things. Uh, and without this POC, nobody uses EWM also.
Mm.
In that
Yeah.
case, they can use go for that other solutions of SAP, which provides the SAP WM solution. Okay. But
Yeah.
but initially here you can see there are so many steps. But if you are practicing it day by day and you are once you start getting results, means if everything is working fine from your end also when you are configuring and doing, you will enjoy these things. Okay, while doing the transactions and all. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now let's create a sales order. For this customer 30030 who has ordered me, let's assume a kit. KT of what? CRF. Payment terms 0001. Okay. And just a minute. In the warehouse product master for this kit header, I think I didn't. I need to maintain this staging area and load determination group also because else it will not going to determine the destinations. Okay. Now here I'll be typing the kit header item 554. How much quantity of kit customer has ordered? One kit. So here I need to mention the plant. See here item category is coming as KITH. Now the moment here I mention my plant. So the price of this kit, let's say 10 yuan. €10. Now you see the moment I mention here the plant code, you see here these against this kit header, there are kit components getting derived 555 and 556. This item category I need to check because we are using KOMP. I need to check once in the sales side configuration, in the sales document configuration, that why it is deriving this COMP. See, either KOMP or COMP can be used. Okay, that doesn't is a problem. But only we have to be careful in the mapping point of view. Since here COMP is getting determined, let me do one thing. Here in the interface, the ERP integration, delivery processing, LF, COMP is also linked here, so we should not have problem much. Now come to shipping from AFS, components, picking from AFS, AFS. Now come to schedule lines for schedule line for the kit header. Order quantity is 1, confirm quantity is also 1. That is 9. So now I'll be performing an incompletion log check. So you should get document is complete. Now let us save it. So order 2216 got created. Now schedule lines due for delivery date. Okay. Let me check. 2216. The schedule line should be carefully checked. Okay. So it is 21. You see here? That's why it was not coming. It is 21 means on system is confirming that on 21st of October it can fulfill the requirement. So that's why when I was trying to create an onboard delivery today, that is today's 19th, right? It is not allowing me. Let me change it to see on 19th confirm quantity it is showing 0, cannot fulfill. That's what it is saying. Let me save it and try to create once again. Mm, Loss of stock. Mm,
2023.
Thank you. Uh, let's see. Still there is a problem. I think it is related to the stock, but I guess. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me check the stock and I will be bringing some stock for this one. And maybe by creating one PO for that finished item. And then we will see Okay, in tomorrow's session, we'll complete this. And once we are done with this, it would take around 10-15 minutes to complete this kit to order. That's it. But there is something related to stock issue. I think there is no sufficient stock to beat. System is able to fulfill. That's what I see. I can bring some stock and I'll complete this tomorrow. And along with that, we will see this one. Kit to stock scenario tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, then see you tomorrow, everyone. Thank
Okay.
you. Same time, 9 p.m.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.